Okay, here's a little tutorial on how to load this conversion script into InDesign. So the link is there. I should have sent it or posted it somewhere. These are the files. Don't really need to worry about this. This is located in a GitHub account. What the script does is it takes all 31 of these Balarama characters and converts them into Unicode compliant characters, which is pretty much the future. Balarama, all respect, it did its time. Now it's retired. So the easiest way to install this, as you can read, is just to do it from within InDesign itself, and you can find the folder. Otherwise, as you can see down here, the pathway is some of these are hidden folders, and it's a bit difficult. So easiest way is to, as I'll demonstrate, open up InDesign, go to Window, Utilities, and Scripts, which I have open already here, as you can see. Right, but just open Scripts, not script label, Scripts. And then you should have a folder full of scripts. The application ones come built in, some community ones are there. I haven't really looked at how those work, but we're going to create our own custom one in this user, even though the folder's open, you see there's nothing there. So we can either right click or control click, reveal in Finder, and that will open up a folder. Here is where we're going to put the script. Now let's go get the script. Back to the GitHub page. You can download it directly here. It's a zip file. It should come into your downloads folder. It's quite small. Show in Finder. Now on Windows this will obviously be a bit different, so I'm going to unzip that. And those are the two files. That's an example file just to test the script out, which we'll do in a second. And the actual script is here. We'll just drag it there. And it should automatically show up here under the user thing. Cool. So now let's test it. The other file in the folder is this Balarama example, which I'll double click to open up, and these are the 31 Balarama fonts. So if I go here, I can just double click this script or right click run script, and voila, instantly changed out. It shouldn't affect any formatting or anything. It just swaps the characters. That's it. So this is part one. That's really just on how to install the script, but in reality, we're going to need to go a little bit further. So I'm going to make a separate video, excuse me, because on most of these old documents, the actual fonts that are used aren't Unicode compliant, which means you're going to see a lot of artifacting and strange little boxes with X's across them, and still gobbledygook, even though the characters have actually been changed to Unicode compliant. Alright, so that's the next video. We're going to look at Unicode compliant fonts and how to seamlessly swap them out in Adobe InDesign.